Here are 16 things you weren't aware your microwave could do. Life just got easier. Number 16. Toasted nuts. Aren't you looking for a tasty, hot snack? Well, it just so happens that your microwave can help you out. All you have to do is take half a teaspoon of vegetable oil and pour it on a plate and add a cup of nuts. Put the plate in your microwave for 1-minute intervals and stir the nuts in between. Continue this for 3 to 8 minutes. Number 15. Steam vegetables. Love steamed vegetables as much as I do? Well, it might be better to microwave your vegetables to steam them than use your stove. The reason is that the hotter you cook them, the more nutrients they lose. The microwave will help cook the vegetables quicker, so fewer nutrients are lost. Number 14. Cook bacon. Is your stove occupied and you're really craving some bacon? Not to worry, your microwave can do the job. All you need is a microwave-safe dish with a few paper towels. Add some bacon to the paper towel and then cover it with more paper towel and cook in 2-minute intervals until it's crispy. Number 13. Cook fish. Ever tried cooking steak in the microwave? I have. It's almost impossible to chew. But take fish and cook it in the microwave and it'll taste perfect. All you need to do is wrap your fish in safe plastic with the seasoning of your choice. Cook it for 2 minutes on high. Number 12. Softening brown sugar. If you have brown sugar that needs to be softened, all you need to do is keep it in its plastic package and add a few drops of water, then cook it on medium for 10 to 20 seconds. Number 11. Re-crisp potato chips. One pet peeve I hate is when someone leaves a bag of potato chips open. They become stale and are no longer crispy. But if you put the potato chips on a paper towel and heat them up quickly in your microwave, they will crisp right up. Number 10. Roasting garlic. It takes about 45 minutes to roast garlic in the oven. But for the microwave, it only takes 8 minutes. All you need to do is slice the top of the head to reveal the cloves. Place the head in a small dish with salt and pepper and put 2 tablespoons of olive oil on it. And 2 tablespoons of water at the bottom of the bowl. Cover it with plastic wrap and cook it in the microwave on medium for about 8 minutes. Number 9. Prevent microwave splatter. When it comes to the microwave, there is nothing worse than having something explode and make a mess inside of it. To avoid this, pierce the skin of the food that you are warming up before you put it in the microwave. This will allow the steam to escape the food. Number 8. Getting more juice from lemons. If you take a bowl of lemons and heat it up in the microwave on medium for 20 seconds, you will be able to squeeze more juice out of them. Number 7. Drying herbs. If you're looking to dry some herbs, place them on a paper plate or paper towel and heat them for 30 seconds in the microwave. Then take them out, flip them over, and repeat. If you do this for 2 to 4 minutes, they will dry up. Number 6. Bring back stale bread. I've mentioned how you can bring back stale chips. Now I'm saying you can also do the same with bread. Place bread on a damp paper towel and put it in the microwave and heat it on high for 10 seconds. Number 5. Soak beans quicker. Some recipes require you to soak beans and lentils overnight. Depending on how busy you are, you may not have time for that. So all you have to do is place them in a bowl with a pinch of baking soda and add water to them. Put the bowl in the microwave on high for 10 minutes and then take it out and let it stand for 40. Number 4. Peel tomatoes and peaches. Peeling a tomato or a peach can be annoying, but thanks to your microwave, it no longer has to be. Put it on a paper towel or plate and microwave it for 3 seconds on medium. Then let it sit for 2 minutes. You should be able to slip the peel right off after. Number 3. Give your plants a boost. You can sterilize your soil from growing seeds by microwaving it first. She suggests filling plastic containers with a thin layer of soil before heating it up in the microwave for 90 seconds per kilogram. Disinfect your sponge. Not everyone has money to continue replacing cleaning supplies each time they use them. So for sponges, you can use your microwave to disinfect it so it can be reused. Microwave it for 2 minutes on medium and you'll kill most of the germs. Cook scrambled eggs. A much quicker way to scramble eggs is to beat the eggs and pour them into a mug, along with milk, salt, pepper, and cheese. Heat it up for 45 seconds on medium in the microwave, and then take out the mug and stir. Once you're finished stirring it, put it back in the microwave for another 45 seconds. Now that you know all the cool things that your microwave can do, it's time to find out what other kitchen products there are out there that can do some pretty useful things. Number 1. A wooden spoon. Did you know that placing a wooden spoon across boiling water will keep it from spilling over? The reason for this is because when something that is unable to absorb water, in this case a spoon, touches the surface of a bubble, the bubble subsides. This means that when a dry spoon is placed on top of a hot pot and touches the bubbles, the water will retreat. If a bubble touches something with a temperature that is below 100 degrees Celsius, the foam will retreat. The more you know. Number 2. Apple slicer. If you're thinking of making French fries out of potatoes, but don't really want to spend boatloads of time cutting the potatoes, just use an apple slicer. All you have to do is slip the potato through the apple slicer and voila! You've got slices of potatoes that are the perfect size for French fries. Number 3. Make a grilled cheese with your toaster. To make a quick and easy grilled cheese, turn your toaster around on its side and put in 2 slices of bread with cheese on them. Start the toaster, and when you think it's ready, take the pieces of bread out. Try not to wait until it pops, otherwise your grilled cheese will go flying across your kitchen and make a mess. Easy, right? Number 4. Pepper grinder. Use your pepper grinder to create sprinkles for cake, ice cream, and more. Just add in snacks like Oreos, without the cream of course, and grind them up and use sprinkles for treats. You can also grind up snacks like Doritos to use as tasty toppings for a meal or snack. The options are endless. If you're eating leftovers, or you're just too lazy to turn on the stove and cook something, you'll use your microwave to cook your delicious meal, right? But you probably didn't know that your microwave can be used for other things besides heating up meals. So if you want to make your life easier and enjoy some of your favorite foods even more, follow the cool tips in this video. So whether you're making a grilled cheese with your toaster or re-crisping your favorite bag of potato chips, be sure to use the awesome food and microwave hacks in this video. It'll make your life easier and make you enjoy your food more. And be sure to let us know which ones you tried out. Now that you know of some useful things your microwave and other kitchen products can do, it's time to put them to the test. Try them out and let us know which ones worked best for you. What are some of your favorite hacks on this list? What are some other awesome kitchen hacks that you use on a daily basis? Let us know about them in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to What the Facts. Wait, why don't you fact off with these other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or the right video and enjoy.